Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Kano silang biladan menta? Ratusan.
Ki polling station Thep Bhoi kila dap di Paidbah ki bayang lan ban ap yala ka jong kepali nak bentap ban Pyndep yala ka Kamram ban je yala ki nong mikmat haki santli constituency haka arf nyutri urumpang arjar arhulai kajing Thep buat hari Bhoi district kala long ka bayai bayai identi la sakhiru haka ni kesngi ki Paidbah kila khang kherdap yala ki jong gidukan bagi jakaya Paidbah kila kenja namar babuan ki beriu kila tu ki polling station ban Thep ya vote kumpalayo jing Thep kajing poi jing kinong Thep vote kala kot chaka nyopu saw point khandai 2% hadu balakot ka por Thep vote.
Little bit confused what to do, also don't know. It's opportunity to get a job because we are just a youth of this country, no sir. So need a job. Family problems so many. Improvement, it need to be improved some more because Meghalaya till it is illiterate, no. Some people are there illiterate now also. They don't went to school also. They are just staying at home, selling coins and all. So if they are studying well, then it will be better for them only and for us also. Education, road, every facilities. The price of groceries is also getting higher day by day. So for us also it's difficult, no sir. We're hoping.
Katong ka job lada ki Paidbah nong snong jong nong po konsensi kila jit yang aku ka nong mikmat kanong yalam na kani kanong po konsensi nga kular banwan ra ya kita ke development ka badang tuna ka badang sadin aku kanong po konsensi jungi ngala dep ban Thep but ini man step kornyo beci nga kung kakatong na kanong po konsensi ngadon ka jingkermen ban ko ya katong ka jingjok nes nem arjar aktulai mo chicha arajar katra ngalayang kung kakatong henry ngam sulpo ya kata katong ka jingjok henry hakane ka kenti entau snem arjar aktulai ngakermen ngadon kata ka thong ban ko ya ka jingjok
ke ipi do menong Paidbah
Saya ki Paidbah kinang ka jingsania. Nama hakini ki Islam ki belaya ngatai ila pusang bele bah ya kedong katani moh tolong ma pusang kat bela buat ibut ibor moh badon halade bagi nong kesan bagi Paidbah ki belaya sania ngatai ila ya pusang kedong katani ngatai kata ka jubab kata wan ka arterik nganget bagi fasisen kinang sania kata ka jubab kai jenggai dak kalian kedong
mantang singala Pyndep ya ka jing Thep bat ngai kublei ya berok ginong kersian ki belah kersian bejengaman haduk mentaka singi bat kermen ru bakane ka election babenta kan nra ka jingkelan abenta komisi konstitusi jungi hiba Bhoi ya ginong kersian juga to lese mentamo mentaka si kadiga si bat hebut na kermen ba ya scam haga nongrim jungpi bat ngin poi be sakathong na kermen ka jing ya trelang jungpi bat ka jing trelang jungpi bat ka jing scam jopi ka nongrim ngin poi bisa kathong bat haka atarik ngin yo be ka jingjok odon borok.
First of all, I would like to thank Almighty God who has been showered His blessing on me. On this auspicious occasion, today the 27th of February 2023, where all the electorate, the voters of the state of Meghalaya, we have to cast a vote. So I would like to appeal to all the voters of 9 Nongpo Legislative Assembly constituency to please cast your vote in my favor in the symbol of the drum of the United Democratic Party. And I would like to request to all the voters, keeping in mind the service that I have rendered in the past 5 years, to follow up issues with regard to the health issues, with regard to education, with regard to road sector, with regard to farmer, with regard to safe drinking water, with regards to unemployment of the youth within our district, Bhoi, and the state as a whole. and many other issues that I have been following up, be it inside the house, in the assembly, or outside the house. I hope that the people of Nongpo constituency, keeping in mind the work that I have done in the past, they will cast their vote in my favor, and so that they will repose faith and confidence on me, so that I can serve better for the people of Nongpo, Bhoi district, and the state as a whole. Thank you. I would like to appeal to all the voters today to come out and cast their vote, and I hope by giving their vote in favor of me, it will be for the betterment of Nongpo and Bhoi district as a whole. Thank you.